First, season the chicken with salt and pepper, just enough to cover each and every strips for the marinade. And then preheat the pan over medium heat and add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Place these chicken strips one by one and cook until the chicken is no longer pink on the inside and golden brown on the sides. On a separate pan, saute the garlic and ginger. Once your chicken is ready to go, pour 6 tablespoons of soy sauce and combine 4 tablespoons of honey for the teriyaki sauce. Gently place the chicken to the sauce and toss occasionally to have both sides coated evenly. Simmer and allow your chicken to cook for a few more minutes to absorb the sauce. You may or may not do this, but I am refrying the coated chicken strips for about 1 minute on each side to get a grilled taste chicken teriyaki. When you're all done, let the remaining sauce thickens and pour over the chicken before serving. Transfer your chicken strips in a serving plate for garnish and add any sides of your choice. There you have it, super easy chicken teriyaki recipe.